Welcome, and today we'll see image use digest. Use an image digest instead of tag. So, what is the aim of this exercise? The aim is to use image digest that are safer than tags. How to use them in Kubernetes? We'll see. But let's say we are using whenever we create any pod with the image. Let's say we are using this image nginx 1.25. So instead of using this image, we can use a digest. What is digest? Digest is a container image, a unique cryptographic hash. Means you can say sh here, SHA 256, that represent the exact content of the image. Think of like a fingerprint. Even image build has its own fingerprint digest. If the image changes even by 1 byte, bug fix metadata changes and the digest will change. Two identical image will always have the same digest, otherwise not. And this comes when we use latest. Here if we use latest, so sometime it would be means today suppose the latest is 1.25, and from now onwards after a month or a 6 month period it would be 1.26. So whenever you write latest, then it might using another image that time. So instead of using latest, you can use the digest. So we'll see how to get the digest and how to use the digest. So let's get started. So here image tags can be overwritten, digest not. So tags can be overwritten but digest not. So create a pod name crazy pod which uses the image digest. So instead of create a crazy this pod using this digest. So here already we can copy this digest. Here not all thing necessary. Here only just copy this command and paste it. So pod is created. So if I'll check, then the validation is successful. But what is me here instead of image, here this is digest is we have taken. So we can use digest in YAML file also, and here simply find the digest and when to use. So get the digest, get deploy show labels. So here paste crazy deployment and get pod l. So here we have taken image id. So this is showing that use digest, edit digest. So you can edit that digest, and k control means grep image copy, and we can paste. So here only just what is the library of that image is we have taken. So how to get that this SHA values? Here already values are given. Use digest edit. So copy paste. So I want to use that image edit. Now I want to replace this image. Copy image. I want to paste this image instead of that. So deployment edited. Okay, now get image. So you will get that updated image. Look that you have updated image. Validation is successful. So if you want that digest image, so you can click CRICTL pull nginx latest. So you will get this SHA value also. So if you want full details, so click ctl inspect image nginx latest and then grep digest -i digest. So here you will find that digest number, whole digest, and you can copy paste. So you can get digest, and you can use in that YAML file also, and you can apply. So thank you so much for your love and support, and this is what we use image digest rather than that tags, because sometimes what happen, some bug fixes or something changes and it is not maintained in the tags. So the tags would be the same, but the SHA value will be different. So keep it in mind.